Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Thoughts and Behaviours CBT Worksheet. What is a Thoughts and Behaviours CBT Worksheet? CBT, or Cognitive Behavioural Therapy, is a type of talking therapy to bring positive changes to how clients respond to scenarios and provide agency into how clients think and what they can do whenever certain events take place. This therapy operates on the core belief that a person's feelings, thoughts, behaviours, and actions are all connected. A CBT therapist typically focuses on a person's negative thoughts and replacing them with positive, realistic, and rational thoughts and behaviours. Clients can develop healthier coping mechanisms to help them deal with their problems. CBT worksheets are effective tools to get to know the client and serve as thought exercises for the client to practice particular skills. There are a variety of healthcare professionals who can use this, however, it is commonly used by psychologists, therapists, counsellors, and more. Here's how to use Thoughts and Behaviour CBT worksheets effectively. It's relatively simple, and all you have to do is fill in the information at the top, and then provide the worksheet to your patient for them to fill in the table with responses under each of the three headings. To view a sample worksheet of Thoughts and Feelings CBT, feel free to visit carepatron.com where you can download the worksheet for free. You can also access the worksheet through our platform. Simply filter by community and assessment or type in the keyword to find a note faster. You can also edit however you wish. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos.